Hey everybody, this is Paul Witherspoon, the Business English Fluency Language Coach. And today we're going to talk about 3 ways you can improve your fluency without a teacher. So if you're waiting for a bus, or even if you're sightseeing, or if you're waiting for the tram, or if you're waiting for the metro, there are some things that you can do to practice your speaking while you're on the metro. So, for example, you can talk to yourself and you can answer conversation questions. But to make sure you don't look like you're crazy, you can use headphones. Okay, so you plug in your headphones and you just talk to yourself, right? So what you do is you go on Google and you search for conversation questions in English, okay? And then you start to answer those questions if you're on the metro, at a restaurant, or somewhere in the city. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to go to Google and you type in 250 conversation starters. These are questions that you can ask yourself to practice speaking. And so you open up this website and you choose a question. So for example, what's your favorite number and why? And for 2 minutes or 3 minutes, you can just talk by yourself out loud. So for example, what's your favorite number? And then you start the timer. My favorite number is 27. You can even simulate experiences, right? So, for example, if I have to go to the chiropractor, then I can have a conversation with myself about the chiropractor, okay? So you want to pretend. All right, so what I mean is simulate. My neck hurts, okay? Or my back hurts. Okay, so even if your level is low, you can point, okay? This is my head. This is my chest. You can do this at every English level. All right, so the last point is you can use podcasts to translate. And what I mean by that is you find a podcast for your level, A1, A2, B1, B2, and you find a podcast with a transcript and you translate it. So I'm going to share my screen once again. So this is what I mean. All right, so I typed into Google B1 podcast. Okay, so find a podcast for your level and you find something with a transcript. It could also be a YouTube video. And you simply copy and paste, okay, the transcript, and then you translate it. But what you do now is you speak out loud. Okay, so for example, you translate it from your native language, or sorry, from English to your native language, and then your native language to English, right? So you translate it both ways. It's called bidirectional translation.